Want to program a key fob for your 1999 Toyota 4Runner? It's a straightforward process you can do yourself. This video will guide you through adding new remotes or erasing old ones. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked with all doors closed. Have your original key and the new fob ready. Remember, you'll need to complete each step within 30 seconds. To add a remote, insert the key into the ignition and rapidly turn it from off to on 5 times, leaving it in the on position on the 5th turn. The door locks will cycle, indicating you've entered programming mode. Immediately press any button on the remote you want to program. The locks will cycle again. Repeat this for up to 4 remotes. Finally, turn the key to off to exit programming mode and test each fob to ensure it is working. To erase all programmed key fobs, useful if one is lost or stolen, follow the same initial steps to enter programming mode. Instead of programming new fobs, simply turn the key to off. This will erase all previously programmed remotes. Be prepared to reprogram the ones you still use immediately after. A crucial note: only fobs with the correct frequency, typically 314 MHz for the 1999 4Runner, will work. Confirm compatibility via your VIN or the part number. Also, the system only supports a maximum of 4 remotes. If programming fails, it could indicate a faulty ECU, requiring a visit to a mechanic. Always disconnect the battery if you run into any electrical issues. Consider that this older system lacks modern encryption, making it potentially vulnerable, though this is rare. For DIYers, remember that although Toyota still supports parts for this model, mistakes can occur. If unsure, seek professional help.